Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Quest 2. To get started, you will need a powerful, VR-ready gaming PC, as Roblox does not offer a standalone Quest 2 app. This PC will run Roblox, streaming the game directly to your headset for an immersive experience. We will explore two reliable methods to achieve this connection and begin your virtual adventures. The wired method offers reliable performance and minimal latency. First, ensure you have a high-quality USB 3 or USB 3.2 cable, ideally at least 10 feet long, to connect your Quest 2 to your computer. Next, download and install the official Meta QuestLink software on your PC. Once installed, simply plug in your headset and select Enable QuestLink when prompted inside your Quest 2. For wireless freedom, AirLink is an excellent choice, but it demands a robust network setup. You will need a strong Wi-Fi 6 or a high-end Wi-Fi 5 router located close to your play area. Begin by enabling AirLink within the Meta Quest desktop application on your PC. Then, put on your Quest 2, navigate to Quick Settings, and select AirLink to pair it with your computer. Once your Quest 2 is successfully linked, whether wired or wirelessly, you will see your PC's desktop in your virtual space. From here, simply launch the Roblox Player application just as you normally would on your computer. When you select a game within Roblox, it should automatically detect your VR headset and launch in virtual reality mode. Enjoy exploring countless worlds in full immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.